Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to Musingsofafox. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Gabrielle. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I want to get real with you guys about my hair. My hair is my baby. It's my pride and joy. I work really hard to have really nice, healthy, shiny, happy hair. But I have a problem. I love changing my hair color, like, a lot. The hair on my head has probably been through about 4 bleachings over the past 2 years. That's what I figure most of this hair is. If some of this hair, like down below, is older, it's been through 5 or 6 bleachings. I try to keep my bleachings about 6 months apart. I change my hair color every 6 months. I have had hair color changes that have not involved bleach, like the rose gold to hot pink, but my hair is fried. Like, deeply fried. Now, I'm sure most of you say that's fried. It is. The reason why you guys don't feel like my hair is as fried as I do is because of my hair care regimen. I've spoken in different videos about my hair care regimen, most specifically how I keep my hair color so bright for so long. I only refresh my hair about every 3 to 4 months. I've gone whole hair colors without ever refreshing them myself. Notably the teal and hot pink purple. I hated that hot pink turned purple. But yeah, I don't have to refresh my hair color a lot personally because I do not wash my whole head of hair when I wash my hair. This part of your hair does not need to be washed, but what it does need is conditioner, and often deep conditioner, most specifically, obviously, hair masks. So I am bringing you my top 4 favorite hair masks for color treated hair, but also for any type of hair. When I most recently in November saw my hairstylist, I said to her I felt my hair was definitely drying out. Is my hair like super fried? And she's like, well, is your hair fried? Yeah. But for someone who's had hair that's been bleached 4 to 6 times, it is in impeccable health. I have incredibly long hair. My hair is like almost down to the small of my back. And so to keep up colored hair, and especially long colored hair, these masks are the ones that I swear by. And so yeah, I'm excited to share them with you and let you guys know how to, have fun and experiment with your hair without feeling like a scarecrow. So the first up is the one that, especially if your hair is most recently processed, is the ones to like nurture and tend to and repair your hair in the first month or 2 after bleaching, and that is the Joico KPak. This one I have used with every hair color I have ever had. This one is like salon, like super professional quality. It's ones that like stylists will use immediately after bleaching your hair. It is a protein reconstructor because when you bleach, you're opening up your hair, pulling out all the pigment, you're doing all kinds of damage, and this one truly, I think, is the only one I feel like really repairs. Like, I actually feel like my hair is back to the state it was before bleaching. It also smells like bananas. This one is available in Ulta as well as other beauty kind of supply stores. This size is $30, but it does come in smaller sizes, and they even have kind of trial sizes, so you don't have to make a biggish investment to get to try it out. And also, this is only a once a week product, so those trial ones for $4 or $5 can last you quite a while, especially if you have much less hair than I do. But this is my first love in terms of hair mask, the one that I tell my stylist I'm using and she's really happy to hear. So this one is just great. If you're bleaching your hair for blondness, if you're bleaching your hair for color, whichever one you're doing, this is like, you cannot go wrong. Everyone will benefit from this one. My next one is one that is specifically for those of us who have fantasy hair colors. I really love that this is a product from like a brand that makes a bunch of different products for hair, but that this one is specifically for us mermaids. It's nice to be noticed by a company without, any of like, well, you're screwing up your hair. This is like a, hey, you invested a lot of time and energy into your hair. Don't you want to look its best? And I like that approach. So that is IGK's Expensive. This one is actually one you can use multiple times a week, and this one is an amla Almond Oil High Shine Top Coat. It advertises itself essentially as a like nail polish top coat, but for your hair, and it really means it. This is a really fun kind of product. The scent of it is very similar to the No More Blow scent, so take that or leave it however you feel about that scent. It's definitely a more of like a hair care kind of scent, but it makes me feel like I just got like a gloss treatment at the salon. I've posted photos of like how shiny, iridescent-y it makes my hair. It's a lot less product than, let's see, this is 4.2 fluid ounces and this is 8.5. So it's the same cost a little, but this is double the product. But this is specialty. This is kind of thing you want to do if you're gonna do like a really nice night out where there'll be a lot of photos and you want your hair to just have that shiny, healthy kind of glossed look to it. It's a really fun product. My hair color being like a neon green is already kind of a juicy color, and so I didn't think I'd notice much of a difference, but this one is just really fun. I also appreciate that it's actually a heat protectant as well, because just because you have colored hair doesn't mean we also don't love to torture it more by curling it. It's really nice to get a repairing treatment, a gloss coat treatment, and a heat protectant all in one product. So, and also a little bit of this goes a very long way. Whereas this one is a once a week use, this is a 1 to 2 time use. It's a little bit kind of like replace your conditioner kind of a product, but it has the same benefits as a hair mask. Next up is an interesting product. This one's a little broken because like these products are all from my shower. Like I had to dry them off so as to be presentable for you guys, but these are actually used. So this one took a tumble and in my shower. This is the DPHue apple cider vinegar hair mask. I can already smell it. My only problem with this product is the scent. It smells like men's cologne. Like it's kind of said it smells like Axe, but I guess it smells like higher end products than Axe, but it's definitely that masculine scent. So it's a little overpowering for me with someone with asthma, but thankfully the scent doesn't actually stay on your hair. It smells super masculine while you're using it, but at least your hair will not smell like it afterward. And I'm sure a lot of you are like, why would you use vinegar on hair color? It actually does not affect my hair color and truly gives me the softest hair out of all of the products I am telling you about. Like the softest, like cushiest hair with actually the most volume as well. So all the other masks are meant to work from root to tip. This one very specifically says mid-length to tip. Do not put it at your roots. I don't know why, but that doesn't bother me. So I just make sure I don't put it. So I usually will actually use one of the other ones at my roots and then finish off with this one, which can make for an interesting smell cacophony, but but this is a really interesting product. It's actually the most expensive out of the 4 that I'm showing, but it's the way it is, it's like more like a paste. Reminds me of the paste I used to eat in kindergarten. It's more paste-like, where the other ones are a lot liquidier, your more traditional conditioner style. So this is how many months? This is like 4 or 5 months of use, and you can see that I've hardly dipped into it at all. So you get a lot of product for your money. This could last me easily a whole year and probably will, if not longer. So if you can handle a masculine scent in the shower, this I promise you will give you the most volume and softness out of the 4. It's some pretty interesting stuff. I'm really excited to see what more comes from this company. And then my personal favorite of the 4 in terms of the results that I get, the scent that it has, and also just like, I don't know, the more enjoyable of experiences. That sounds right. And that is the BrioGeo Don't Despair Repair. And even though it has a name like that, it's not the most reparative of the 4. Like I said, the Joico KPak is truly like reparative, but this is the best all-around hair health. The one that I use the most, the one that I use most recently. So any of the shine and softness and everything you see and a bit of volume comes from this one. This one is my workhorse. It's the one that I enjoy using it the most. I love the scent. I don't know, it just smells sweet. Kind of smells like the 90s. I know that sounds really weird to say, but there's just something like really familiar about it. It kind of has like a grapefruit smell, kind of a lemon smell, kind of like a lemon bar smell, but not like super citrusy. It's just delicious, and I love the way like it leaves a scent on my hair that's really just like comforting and feminine, and I really love it. They have a bunch of products in the Don't Despair Repair line. There's like a daily conditioner. This is a once a week conditioner. It is a root to tip conditioner. Out of all of these two are the ones I have repurchased the most. This is my 4th bottle of this one. Like I said, I've been using it since I started dyeing my hair, and this is my 2nd bottle of this one when I started using it, oh goodness, not even a year ago. So I have blasted through this because I just love the scent that much. I probably use more than I need to. Again, I have a lot of hair, like so much hair. So this would go a lot longer for those of you with like fine to medium like thickness hair. For those of us who wear otter pelts on our heads all the time, this does go fast, but again, it's just the most like enjoyable. Like I feel like it probably gets like an A- in all the categories, where some of these other ones like get like an A++ in repairing and like an A++ in softness. This one, you know, goes for a little bit of like, you know, an A-, definitely not a B+, definitely like an A, like a stellar product, but it just ticks more in like more things in more boxes, if that makes sense. Like I love the softness it gives, I love the volume it gives, I love the shine, and I love the repair that it does. So this one, if I was going to pick, if I wasn't someone who had 4 different hair masks, I would choose this one as the one that I just only kept. But because I have other things for like post appointments, when I need volume and my hair just hasn't felt soft in a while, when I really want high shine, high gloss, good photo hair, but this is the one that I will always come back to. This was the one that would break my heart if it got discontinued. It's just, yeah, it's just my favorite. I hear the kittens crying, so I think it's time for me to wrap it up. Let me go get Cass. He's really needing somebody, so one sec. This one won't stop crying. So I hope you guys found this video helpful about healing our fried hair and also just protecting hair that hasn't been chemically treated, because hair masks are just good for all types of hair, just to keep your hair looking luxurious and shiny and healthy. So yeah. Alright, if you guys have a hair mask that I haven't mentioned that you really swear by, let me know down in the comments down below. And yeah, other than that, I gotta go give this guy some cuddles. So, I'll see you next time. Bye! Goodbye. Yeah, whatever. Bye.